Do the supplier accounts balance? In order to check whether your supplier accounts balances, you select Reports, then click on the tab Purchases at the top. You should select a reconciliation summary report for your clients. Double click on this and then enter the date that you wish to check your reconciliation. Press Display. This will then show you what the payables are as of the specified date. If you are preparing accounts for 30 June 2010, you should select 30 June 2010. Now, in order to ensure that your supplier balances are correct, you should look to the report to see if this balance here is identical to the payables account balance in your general ledger, this figure here. If the out of balance amount is 0, it means that your creditors balance. If the out of balance amount is greater or less than 0, it means somebody has made a mistake that needs to be rectified. If there is a difference, it could be that somebody has posted transactions into the general ledger account, or else there are other credits incorrectly being posted there. Either way, it needs to be identified. Sometimes what you can do is, if you're checking the 2010 year, you could check whether it was out of balance as at 30 June 2009. If the figure was out of balance by the same amount, then the problem occurred before 30 June 2009. If it wasn't out of balance at 30 June 2009, but is out of balance at 30 June 2010, you should pick random dates in between the periods to identify when the figure has actually come out of balance. That could be simply a case of selecting, for instance, the 31st of the 12th to identify what the position is. As you can see, at this point in time, it still balances. What you'll also see in this particular case is that we have negative balances within the account. If we have negative balances, we need to fix these. It may be simply a case of settling a credit against a particular invoice. To do this, we select Command Center, Purchases, and then Settle Returns and Debits there. Or alternatively, it could be that there's been an overpayment. Thank you. Once you have checked this particular report and ensured that it balances as at 30 June 2010, if that is the year that you are preparing, print off a copy for us. Thank you.